責任感がある or you can say like 責任感があります which mean a sense of responsibility. The word 責任 The word 責任 is mean a task that you have to do. And the word 感 The word 感 is mean the feeling or the thing that you can be that thing can make you feel. So when you put the word or 責任 is mean the task, right, or the thing that you have to do, and 感 is mean the feeling. So it mean when you do something you should have the feeling that is mean the feeling that you make it success. You make it success. So in here we have 責任感がある or 責任感があります is mean if you are the person who have a sense of responsibility, this mean you are the person who 責任感があります。責任感がある人。責任感がある人 is mean the person who have a sense of responsibility. 責任感がない人 is mean the person that who don't have a sense of responsibility. So for example, if you are the manager, this means you have a task to make the project complete within the deadline. So that is 責任感 or a sense of responsibility. And are you seeing here? The second is mean the task that you have to do. You have to pay attention to make the task to be finished. So 責任 is mean the task, 感 is mean the feeling that this feeling is mean you have to the mindset that you how to manage the thing that you will do or your task. So in here we have 責任感がある人はマネージャーです。責任感がある人はマネージャーです。It means the person who have a sense of responsibility is manager. Or another word can create a sentence like 責任感がない人は誰ですか？責任感がない人は誰ですか？ Which means who is the person who doesn't have a sense of responsibility.